I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you. And there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we wanna do. 'Cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love.
Good morning, everyone, on this crisp fall morning. Today, what I'd like to share with you is my fall farmhouse kitchen. And I've got a chalkboard here. I wasn't sure what I wanted to put on. Something for fall, but I wound up putting farm fresh. And I like how this all turns out. I also sometimes will draw pictures on this, but I just have a lot of fun with it, and I generally keep it in my kitchen. I would also like to share with you how I decorated my tier tray for my fall farmhouse kitchen. Now, I'm not going to go through every little thing and let you know where it came from, but if you would like to know, leave me a comment below. I'll be happy to get back with you and let you know where those items came from. So just enjoy a little bit of music and my fall farmhouse tour for my kitchen this year. A lot of the items you can find in my Amazon storefront, so just mosey on over there. You can find that link in the description box below.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you.
Just in case you missed it, I do have a playlist for my kitchen renovation, and I'll put that link in the description box below.
Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you.
In my new farmhouse sink, I keep this metal rack or grid. but I just love this pumpkin spice spray. I spray in my kitchen after I get done cooking. And these florals, guys, believe it or not, came from Hobby Lobby, but not in their floral aisle. It was in their wedding aisle, and I just love the colors of the gray leaves and the rust color florals on that. And the farmhouse sign was something that I made several years ago with my cameo silhouette.
Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. I wonder where they're going, the flight of swallows sailing through the sky. There's no way of knowing, but maybe someplace far from you and I. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September.